Welcome back, guys. Now we are going to be looking at the create options in surfaces. Alright, to use create options we first need two planes. So I'm going to create a plane here and another plane nearby, but change its x-axis later on. Alright, so I'm going to create a plane there and another plane here. So I'm going to select this plane and change its x-axis to about this height now. So this way it will look like this in the surface. Alright, so the first thing we have is called a blend. Blend is nothing but it just connects the lines in between these stuff. Alright, so if I click these lines, you should first click on the first object lines. Alright, so I click on these lines first, press enter, and then click on the second surface lines. Then I press enter and it will join them. Right, once I join them, you can see it's kind of like not flat but kind of a curvature. This is where this comes in. If you click on this icon here, you will see position G0, G1, G2. So G2 just increases the curvature even more. As you can see, it's changed, and G0 completely takes it away and makes it look like a tapered edge. As you can tell, these three will just show how much curvature you can take. So I'm going to take it at G2 and press enter, and there you go. This is what the blend tool does. It connects these two objects depending on how you need it, and yeah, either you can have a curvature or no curvature. Alright, so for patch we need first open hole, you can say. So I can't see this, so I'm going to go back to 2D wireframe, and as you can see my circle is over here, not even near the object. So what I'm about to do is take this and bring it over here right underneath this guy. Then what I'm gonna do is extrude it. I'm gonna extrude it using a normal solid extrude, so I can show you this. Right, so let's go back to realistic, and this is how it looks. Yeah, so let's do a union and take out this circle from this entire thing. Alright, and then I want to subtract this. So if I do that, you can see that's a hole now. So in surface, when you click on patch, you can click on the surface edges which you want to patch and then press enter, and then you can see like it's a bit dark and rare, right? It's basically saying this entire thing will get patched. So if I go tangent, it will get a more bulgier patch, but right now let's just patch it out, shall we? And then press enter, and there you go, it's patched. And as you can see, this surface is separate from the other. You can also choose how it should look. It will get bulgier, and if I do C3, it will be even more bulged. Right, this way you can patch holes or even make it give it a different look. Okay, and then we have offset. Offset is the same as we saw in 2D and in the SolidWorks, where it offsets it by a distance. So I'm gonna give it 0.5 distance, and if you look closely, it will be offsetted by a 0.5. Right. Alright, hopefully this was useful, guys, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.
To obtain a course completion certificate, visit our site and finish the rest of the course video. Sign up or sign in, choose your level, watch the video and take the quiz. Finish all the quiz to unlock the final quiz and get your certificate. Happy learning!